Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in this newspaper of Wednesday, November the 25th, 2020. Yes. The second Sudoku is a medium Sudoku with the number 1932. Alright, so let's get started. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me count, 5 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 2 is 10, 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 23 plus 3, 26 printed digits. So it's a 2 stars Sudoku if you compare with the extra Sudokus in additional. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 5 and the 9, so no 5 and the 9 in this box. The 5 and the 9 goes in the other 2 boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 boxes left in the third column. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing in the third column. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for a 6 should be there. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 9 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 digits. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well, it's an 8 here because in the middle row we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there, and the other box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the middle column. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about these 4 boxes in this big square? One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. You see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 2 boxes left. In this row, the 1 and the 4. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. 1 should be there, and the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 numbers. It's up here. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those again. It's up here. And now, let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the numbers? 1, 4, 8, 1, 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are in this column the 1, the 4, and the 8. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, or 1, 8, 4. We see here 1 and an 8, so no 1 and an 8 in this box. The 1 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 7. 2, 6, 7. We see here 2 and a 7, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 1 box left in the first row for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in that column the only place for a 6 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above, so in that row only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see, yes. Then 7, 3. How about 1, 2, 3? Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 8. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. We see here the 1 and the 4, so no 1 and the 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 8. Alright. We have a 1 and the 8, 5 and the 8, 5, 8, and the 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. Let me mark those for you. This is also 5 and the 8 in this column. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be an 8. The 1 is missing, 9 is missing, and the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about the 6? No, I cannot fill the 6. 1, 7, yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 4. No, 4 we have 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. These 2 numbers in this column, the 9 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this is going to be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 1 should be here. 1, 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing in this big square. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only place for a 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku. In Japanese, Zuguru. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.